Rotational motion ruining your vibe before NEET? You open the chapter, and your brain just freezes. Now imagine you walk into a friend's room, and everything clicks. Ria reaches Arif's house, rotational motion book in hand, face full of doubt. Inside, Arif is deep in physics, fully locked into rotational motion. She blurts out, "Yar, this chapter is impossible." You felt that too, right? One chapter that scares you more than the exam. Arif smiles. Tough? Yes. But in NEET Physics, this is gold. He tells you, every year NEET asks from this, no skipping allowed. Conservation of angular momentum, moment of inertia, torque. And rolling questions are trending now, seriously important. You ask him, but how do I even start with angular momentum? He says, chill. Think of a spinning ice skater pulling their arms in. No external torque? Then angular momentum stays constant. Simple. He explains slowly, connecting formula to real-life motion as you nod along. Suddenly, that one example just clicks, and the fear breaks. She smiles big. VAS in the high? That was so easy. Curious, you ask, where are you preparing for NEET from? He replies, Clemben Institute Burkee. They focus on pure concepts and practice. You decide, if concepts feel this clear, that's where you belong too.